The self-appointed CCC Interim Secretary General Sengizo Tshabangu has defended his recent visit to President Emmerson Mnangagwa's Brick Farm, accompanied by a few CCC MPs, arguing that engaging with the ZANU-PF does not equate to sailing out. Sarabina mashoko anobuda aitaona Sengizo Tshabangu achizvidefenda achiti aiwa kwasuseta kwandakaita neZANU-PF handina kana kumbotengesa, handina kuita sell out. Sarabina mashoko anodanyogwa panapa, remember subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipinda panapa pana umubudamirwa muchinzi. Tshabangu, who also declared himself the leader of the opposition in parliament after assuming control of the party in 2023, has faced criticism for touring Mnangagwa's farm over the weekend, which was unrelated to parliamentary business. In an interview with the state media on Wednesday, Tshabangu asserted that CCC will continue to maintain its independence while engaging with the ZANU-PF, he said. It is certainly strange reasoning to suggest that an opposition which engages with the ruling party is selling out. How else should state affairs be conducted? Democracies worldwide have healthy interactions between the ruling party and the opposition. The real issue is whether or not the opposition remains true to the independent political demands of its constituency. The tragedy is to assume that the opposition should oppose it for its own sake. It is not enough to oppose. It is not the task for the opposition. The task is to offer alternative, objectively sound, and home-ground solutions made by Zimbabweans, for Zimbabweans, and about Zimbabweans. Tomashoko anotaurwa naSengizo Tshabangu achizvidefenda. Nyika yose inoziva ende yakuziva kuti Sengizo Tshabangu aiwa kubva kumarekoza akaita muna 2023 munoiziva the whole story. Panapa kuzonosangana kwakaita nemutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe achimudindosa pamwe chete aiwa pa3rd term achiextenda his rule aiwa to 2033 aiwa zvabva zvanyasa kusaina zvabuda chokwadi kuti this guy aiwa hana DNA reopposition. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kuipa pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Ina comment section yedu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.